They were sitting on that chair right there.
She can't eat this.
Yes, she can. Just make sure you put it in her doghouse.
Huh?
Come on, Dylan. Come give it to Dixie so she can have her presents too.
Whatever. You got to give one of them to Dylan.
Come on. Put it in her doghouse, okay?
Okay. No.
Dixie, out. Go.
Out.
Go. Go. I'm behind you. Go. Dixie, get down.
Dixie, come here. Come here.
Oh, it's muddy.
Okay. Dixie.
Dixie.
Totally oblivious.
Dixie. Dixie.
Totally oblivious.
Dixie.
Go. Just go. Put it out there.
Dixie. 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 She's
Dixie, come here.
get away.
Okay. Go put it in there.
Let's go.
Let's see.
That trampoline. I mean, who did that?
I guess Santa.
Oh, go check it out.
Santa came out here, and I thought Dixie was asleep. That is cool. Ladder.
Doubt it.
Yeah, back order.
Oh, my freezing. Oh, can we go
There you
jump
go.
on it?
Well, pfft.
Yeah, got mine.
Don't leave us, okay? This is good.